Hey, Ronnie here, and I want to show you the brand new website audit AI skill inside of the Solo Creators AI Studio. Super simple. I'm just going to put in a message here, do a website audit, and all it's going to do is going to go read the instructions of the skill that I built, and it's super detailed so that it will actually be using all of the instructions to check the site speed and the optimizations in terms of marketing, branding, messaging, and all of that. So the first thing it's going to do is going to ask me what my relationship is with this audit. Is it just for researching for a prospect or a competitor? Is it for a client's website, or is it my own website? I'm going to do this here, and I'm going to, this is a great way to research your competition. Like, what are they doing right? What is their messaging? And how can you improve your own site? Or if you're an agency or you want to do this for other clients, you can also run the audit for other potential prospects or your clients. You'll get a full HTML and PDF report that you can give to your clients as a little teaser and say, hey, look at these problems on your site. Do you need help to fix it? I'd be happy to do it for you. And this is a great way to get clients, at a few $100s or even a few $1,000s a month on a website retainer, or even a one-off, like, hey, let me fix these things for you, and you can charge for that as well. Of course, it's for your own site. If you want to improve and enhance your own website, see what's missing, see any blind spots you have in terms of branding, in terms of messaging, in terms of optimization and conversion and site speed, and even how Google and LLM see you. Because people are typing in right now into Google Gemini or ChatGPT, and they're using it as almost a search engine. Are they finding you? Well, this website audit is going to tell you all of that, and it's fantastic. You'll see the report in just a few minutes here. So while it's running, let me tell you a little bit about the Solo Creators AI Studio. So this is my brand new school community where you get access to me, and you get access to all of the things that I build, including these AI skills, workflows, agents, and training, and so much more. And it's a super active community where there's a lot going on. Everyone's super friendly, tight-knit, great, fantastic group of people where you get access to each other and, of course, to me. I've been doing this for a very long time. I've been in the business for over 18 years. I served over 650,000 customers, sent out over 550 million emails. Pew! Crazy. Can't believe that. And of course, I've made over $14 million over the years in sales, and now I'm here. I'm solo. I'm doing this all just with my Claude, and I'm telling you all of the ins and outs and how to do everything. Some of the skills that you get access to right now inside of the classroom, you get my second brain, so you can actually organize and store all of your data so that your AI is actually super smart and has a memory, and it can grow and build new things for you, make connections that you never really imagined. For example, check out my Obsidian here. This is the connection. This is my second brain, and this is showing a graph view of all of the different projects, the different ideas, the different tasks, and how they all interlink. You can build this, and I can show you how to do that with the second brain. It is super amazing. I think you'll absolutely love it. In fact, it's one of the most popular skills inside of the community. So also, you'll get access to the board of advisor skills. So hey, AI tends to agree with us way too much, way more than a human would. Well, this fixes that. This forces an adversarial approach where your board actually is forced to argue and with each other and with you to come up with the best solutions. So if you're ever making a decision and you want to make sure that, hey, this is the right decision, this is the skill for you. And there's also several others like the website launch builder. So if you need to rebuild a website, you don't want to have to deal with any IT people. You can absolutely use this website launch builder skill. In fact, some of our members are retired. They're not technical at all. They do not know how to code at all. And by the way, I do not know how to code at all either. And everything that you're seeing here is all built just with me and AI. And our clients inside of the school community, like I said, retired, do not know how to code, and got a website live on the internet just using the website launch builder skill and using their Claude. Your mind is going to be blown when you join the Solo Creators AI Studio. For social posts, carousel generator, TikTok slideshow generator, and of course the website audit that I'm demoing now. And there's, again, like I said, there's a lot to explore here. Take a look through the site. You can see some examples. These are carousels, slideshows, TikTok slideshows. I've even built an app from start to finish, over 60,000 lines of Apple Swift code that I did not code. I do not know how to code, okay, at all, like nothing. But I built it all using Claude and using these different AI skills that I've been building. So I'm happy to share all of that with you. Take a look through the site. You can see, just to show you some more examples, this is an example of a carousel that my AI skill built that you will have access to inside of the community. This was completely written and designed and laid out. Even the illustrations were all created using the AI skill. And here's another example. This is the website audits, the carousels, the slide decks, the websites, the Second Brains, the AI Board of Advisors. Here's a TikTok slideshow. And here's an example of a website audit. You can see gives you the summaries, tells you what's working, what's not working, what to fix, and this is a detailed report. And in fact, you get 3 reports. You get one for you that you can get the details. You can get one as a prospecting tool, like a short version that you can say, hey, here are some of the problems. And then of course, you go in there and fix it yourself as a client relationship. Or there's also a short version, just a teaser, just a couple of pages to kind of win the sale. So a lot of really neat things that you get inside of the Solo Creators AI Studio. I hope you will join us. So let me go back to Claude and see what's happening here. So you can see it has been working behind the scenes while I was just telling you a little bit about the school community. And it is grabbing screenshots from the website, and it's gonna make sure everything is laid out and everything is organized, it's analyzing. There's a lot of stuff going on here. So while it's working, it's gonna pause here and we'll catch you in just a couple of minutes. All right, so let's build a full report. You can see it takes mobile screenshots, it's checking the brand, and then it generates the full report here. And this is an extensive, detailed report of what to fix, how to improve things, the ratings, and so on. And this is, you can see the full report here, which is 29 pages that it analyzed the website and puts this all together. It even checks the brand colors, the fonts, and so on. And then of course, a simpler version, less overwhelming, to provide to a client to win them over, or even just for yourself if you want a simple version to take a look at. Hey, let me show you what the HTML report looks like. So you can see here, it takes the screenshots, crisp, beautiful screenshots. It's automatically done for you. You see the score, and there's even these nice, easy to click links that'll scroll you right down to the different sections. It talks about who your site attracts to today, how you show up in Google in terms of the text, the OG images, and all of the things here. Hey, so if you want this, join the Solo Creators AI Studio. This skill and many more are inside the school community. And of course, you get direct access to me. And what's so cool about this website audit skill is that it will remember. So when you make changes to your own site or to your client's site, it will remember your previous scores and it will grade you and give you, tips and feedback and advice on what you changed and how you improved it and so on. So definitely go grab this skill. I think you're going to love it inside the Solo Creators AI Studio.